I'd never see one. I never knew when I saw you that you would be one. The miracle of love has made my life a song, and I will sing it all day long and hum it while I'm sleeping. My song is sweet thanksgiving that always I'll be living. Yes, always I'll be living. The miracle of love.
Don't let Peter die, Lord. Do something.
We know that you have the power to work miracles, Lord. Work one for Peter tonight.
Please, Lord, help us out.
Hear our prayer, O Lord.
Set Peter free, dear Lord.
Set him free, Lord. Quickly, Peter. Follow me.
So when darkness paints my life cold and black, he knows it, searching for the path leading back. He shows it, always through it all. He'll catch me when I fall. Now the seed of hope has grown, and deep inside I know that he has eyes watching over the righteous, and ears that hear the prayers of a broken heart.